Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm getting ready to make my coffee for the day, waiting for the hurricane. Have to have my coffee. Very grumpy without it. I get headaches because the body gets addicted to the caffeine. There's nothing like Folgers for me. I mix it actually, but I like it really dark, so I get the black silk. And if you guys notice behind me, I have my cordless tools, batteries charging in case I need them. I'm pretty sure that we're gonna have outages, they're saying. So, just in case I need the batteries. Getting them charged. And I'm filling up containers and also bags of water, and I put them in the freezer to make it ice, some water on, to help keep things frozen longer. Let me make one here. My tomatoes and then I freeze them. So what else have I done in preparation? I do have some stuff that I'm still gonna go tie down in the back, like the tomato cages and just sticks that I use for like steaks. I haven't tied those down, so I have to go tie those down. And yeah, it's getting close. Should hit us tonight. It's overcast right now, but nothing horrible. I'm also gonna get the dogs fed their chicken rice and coffee. Kind of getting nervous. Getting close. For you that are maybe wives or whatever, I use this thing to put like towels and bags and extra storage. Calm down, ladies. Calm down. Calmada, chiquitita, calmada. So yeah. Also for the new subscribers, thank you for subscribing. appreciate you. It's always good to have monthly subscribers. Don't forget to like, share, click subscribe if you're not subscribed. Comment. That helps the video get pushed. I guess. Oh, I have to sneeze. Oh, excuse me. Salud con leche. So, just get a tissue. Bella, what are you doing? You better not be doing nothing bad. You better not be doing nothing bad, little girl. You better not be doing anything bad. Little critters fed. I feed them 1 cup twice a day. I don't want them to get too fat. Stella's fat. She gained a lot of weight since I've had her. I used to be so thin. And then, now I can't burn. Let me just bring the food out here for the dogs. Bella. Here. Go eat your food. Go eat your food, little brat. Bella's very spoiled. She'll go lay down on the couch. I let her walk around the house, and there's like hair and sand on the floor. I hate that. But she'll go lay down on the couch and wait for me to go get her. I have to pick her up so she can go eat her food. Otherwise, she won't eat. Yeah. Coffee machine's running slow. Yeah. How are you guys' days going? You guys have any special plans for today? Anything exciting happening? I'm just gonna do my last few things. Like I said, I'm gonna go outside and make sure that everything is gathered, it's safe as it's gonna get. Take down my pot holders and my hanging stuff that I have in the gazebo, and put those stakes away. And the tomato cages, I don't know where I'm gonna put them. And then I'm just gonna lay low, just stay in the house, maybe make a video outside. That's gonna be about it for today. It's gonna be a slow day. It's actually, for me, it's It's almost torture not to have anything to do all day. Just waiting for the clock to tick away. Normally I would go outside and do chores, plant, but this is probably all going to be gone tomorrow. So what's the purpose, right? Planting anything new. So that's about it. It's kind of sad, but it's material things, right? It's a life that's worth anything. Material things, you can always regather more stuff. So I believe that they're saying it's supposed to hit us like tonight in the wee hours of the night. I was thinking it was going to start hitting like from yesterday to today, but I couldn't sleep. I was waiting for it. But so I guess it's supposed to be tonight. And my husband is away. He ain't gonna be not able to be home. For it, so I gotta depend on myself, and I have to take care of the dogs and make sure everything is taken care of. Bella, do not make any mess, little girl. I'm very superstitious, and usually, like, I believe in dream translations, and when I dream of water, for whatever reason, it always indicates tears. And a few days ago, I dreamt of a lot of water. One time, I was swimming in a pool, then in the ocean. Never a good sign for me. If I dream of water. Yeah, see my delicious coffee? This is so good. Yeah, well, thank you for watching this morning. I know it's boring. I don't really have much to say. But, come say hi, Belle. Come say hi. Oh, you're so cute. Come say hi. And Bella said, hi, thank you so much for watching. Said, thank you for watching. You're so cute. Thank you for watching, and you guys stay safe. And I'll see you guys on the next video. Thank you. Love you guys. Bye.